Hi friends, this video shows how to transfer photos, videos, any files from iPhone to Android, Android to iPhone without installing any new app. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First in this iPhone, let me go to settings. Here you can see I have connected this iPhone to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. Then in this Android phone, go to settings, go to network and internet. You can see this Android phone also connected to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. So we have to connect both iPhone and Android phone to same Wi-Fi network. We can also use mobile data, but in that situation speed of the file transfer will be slow. So after this, in iPhone, open Safari web browser. So Google this SnapDrop. Open this website snapdrop.net. In Android phone, open Firefox web browser. We can also use Google Chrome. Google Snapdrop. Open same website snapdrop.net. Okay, done. Here you can see the name of this Android phone, cow. Here you can see name of this iPhone, rabbit. You can see this name rabbit. This Android phone has detected. This name cow. See, this iPhone has detected. Now I am going to transfer one file from this iPhone to Android phone. Tap on this cow. That is the name of this Android phone. Tap here. Tap on choose files. From this list, select one file to transfer. So I am going to select one file. Let me select this one. Then tap on open. See, we can see that file here in this Android phone. Tap on save. Tap on download. See, now I have successfully transferred one image from this iPhone to Android. Tap on open. See, you can see that image here. Next I am going to transfer one file from this Android phone to iPhone. In this Android phone, tap on the name of iPhone. Then select one image to transfer. So let me select one image. So I am going to select this image. See, we can see that image here in this iPhone. Tap on save. Tap on download. See, now I have successfully transferred one image from this Android phone to iPhone. Let me verify. In iPhone, go to files, go to iCloud Drive, downloads. So here you can see that transferred image. Done. So this way we can transfer photos, videos, any files from iPhone to Android and Android to iPhone. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.